And
the shaving of the head,
yes,
and the ihram.
Shaving of the head has always been a sign of dedication to God in every religion. Why do the nuns shave their heads? Only to show, to manifest their inner dedication. By shaving the head, people can say these girls are not available for others. They are dedicated totally and entirely to Allah. Similarly, sadhus and bhikshus, people belonging to many different faiths, shave their heads only to indicate that they have dedicated their lives for the sake of Allah. Hermits shave their heads. So this shaving of head indicates that they are going there entirely for dedication to God, which means after they finish their Hajj, instead of being interested more in worldly things, they should become more interested in in religious affairs and service to God and service to mankind. This one cloth, unsewn cloth, also is indicative of an innocent child born, just born. So wherever children are born, you never prepare sewn cloth for them, sewn clothes. It's something which comes later. To begin with, every child everywhere is wrapped in one sheet. So the innocent born in Islam is also shaven. His heads are shaven, or her head is shaven. So it links up with the Hajj. To begin with, Allah requires that everyone who comes into this world he himself has no intention, but those who take care of these people, these newborn, they should do it in a manner that the child later on gets the message that when I came to this world, I was dedicated to God, both in the sign of shaving of head and wrapping up in one cloth. But people have forgotten this implied message, completely forgotten, with the result that after the shaving of head, the best they do is to invite people to slaughter a goat or two, and it has become a ceremony which requires a feast. So in most countries, feasts are given after the slaughtering of goats. But this is not the purpose of Islam. So that is the answer to the question which relates to shaving of head and wearing of one cloth. Safa and Marwa, Sa'i between Safa and Marwa, is in remembrance of Hazrat Hajra when in search of water, not directly in search of water, in search of some caravans which passed through that place. She went to one place, one little hillock, and ran to the other top and scanned the horizon of that desert in search of some human caravan who may carry water with them. In memory of that passionate search for something, for the sake of her child, she did these things 7 times. And then she observed something from underneath the child's feet. Water was sprouting. So, to remember the grace of Allah, that even the worldly water is His blessing. People go around from one hillock to the other to memorize not Hajra, but the sign of Allah which appeared. So there is no idolatry in that either. Similarly, other all other rites and rituals which the Muslims perform during the Hajj are all indicative to one God, indicative of there being one God and none other. Right? You got your answer. Okay. Please.